Hello everyone, I am Varkha from WinsurTech and Webner. Today in this video, I'm going to explain about AL3 to E-labels for ACORD 90 AK form mapping. In this video, you will learn how to convert AL3 file data into E-labels for ACORD 90 AK form mapping, and then how to fill a new ACORD form 90 from the output, which means how to fill ACORD form 90 with AL3 data. Alright, let's get started. To start with, let's open the Postman application. Here we need to import the AL3 parser API collection. For that, you can go to our website and download the collection from the subscriptions page. New user will get a pilot plan for a comprehensive API for 15 days. So I have already imported the collection here. Now I will proceed to the login endpoint, and in the body tag I will fill my username and password. The next parameter is user secret key. The user secret key is also provided on our website's subscription page. You can check my earlier videos on AL3 API for this kind of information. So I have already copied the user secret key. The key has been pasted. Now I will hit the send button, and you will find the output has been generated. So you will see the access token. As you know, this token can be automatically used by the rest of the endpoints. Let's move on, and we will now jump straight to the convert AL3 to E-labels endpoint category, which has two endpoints: list supported forms and AL3 to E-labels. This list supported forms endpoint returns the list of supported ACORD form names for AL3 to E-label conversion. The AL3 to E-labels endpoint can convert AL3 data into JSON matching the E-labels of the supported forms. But before this endpoint, to get the proper name for the ACORD 90 form, you need to go to the list supported forms endpoint and click on the send button. So you will find the output has been generated. You will see that there are multiple ACORD forms in the output. Since I'll be explaining AL3 to E-labels for ACORD 90 AK form mapping in this video. So now I will copy this ACORD 90 AK full form name and paste it into the next endpoint, which is AL3 to E-labels. I'll head over to the body tab. In the input file parameter, we will upload the AL3 file. I have a test AL3 file for this demo. File has been uploaded. In the next parameter, which is the form name, I will paste the form name which I copied. So the form has been pasted. Now I will click on the send button. So you will see that output has been generated. In the output, all of the AL3 data can be found in the JSON format with E-labels as keys and their corresponding values. You will see that all of the AL3 data successfully retrieved. One more thing I want to tell you is that if you want to map these E-labels and their corresponding data into a form, you can also do so with the help of our product Form Cruise. I will show you how. You will see a form link at the end of it. When you click on this form and launch it, The form is open and you will find that all the AL3 data has been filled out in the form. All the data is completely retrieved and you will see AL3 data is filled out completely. So this is how the process works to convert AL3 to ACORD Form 90. I hope this video was useful. I will be back with another video very soon. If you need any help with AL3, ACORD forms, AMS, CRM, PMS or any other InsurTech solutions, please contact us at contact@winsurtech.com.